In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a client onboarding workflow with Notion, Make.com, and some Google Docs templates. So what's the general idea? Whenever you enter the client infos in your client database, the button, and you click on the button send welcome email, your client gets a welcome email with a Google Meet link, and also it creates a new entry in your onboarding call database. And via the Google Meet link, your client can book a onboarding call. If you then had the onboarding call and you filled out those informations like address, hourly rate, project scope, and project volume, you click on the button create contract and it automatically creates a contract. So how does it work? So let's say, for example, we have this client, John Johnson's Little Farm, and we just enter those informations and we decide we want to send a welcome email. We click on this button and you can see right now, if I click here, it checks this property, this file, and this row, and it also adds John Johnson's Little Farm Ltd to our onboarding call database. At the same time, if we now go into the email folder of this person, which is an email address of me for this purpose, we can see that they got an email. We are looking forward to working with you, John Johnson's Little Farm Ltd. We're looking forward, and here please sign up for an onboarding call, which is then a calendar link to Google Calendar where they can book a meeting with me. So that's really nice. How does it work? It's just a simple automation. So when the button is clicked, an email is sent from my email address. At the moment, it works only with Gmail to the property email. So property email is this one, the one our client just filled out. And then we have some hard and liquid code. So we're looking forward to working with you. Then this page, company name, contact person, whatsoever. And it also adds a page to the onboarding call database, which is this one with all of those informations. And it checks the checkbox so that we know, all right, we already clicked on this button. So now let's suppose we are on the onboarding call and we filled out all of those informations, like, so what's the address of the client, what's the hourly rate, which is the project scope, and then this is a formula which just multiplies the hourly rate with the project scope. We then can click on create contract. I'm just going to delete this one because we want to create a new one. What you can see right now is that this drive folder is empty, or not empty, but there's only templates. And if we now click on create contract, something happens. Usually we get this message that the automation ran successfully. And if we go into the Google Drive folder, we just saw that those two documents popped up. The first one is a Google Docs document with the contract which just got created. So for John Johnson's Little Farm with the hourly rate, project scope, and all those informations. And the second document it's the same document, but it's just a PDF version, which we can download and send to the customer. So this is really cool. And what we can see as well is now that it added the link to the PDF version, so we can download it from here right away. So how does it work? It's again an automation. If we click on the create contact edit automation, we can see that this is a webhook automation which sends a webhook to make.com with the information like company name, address, but also hourly rate, project code, and project volume. And if we now go into make.com, we can see that the workflow is it gets the customer webhook, it creates a document from a template. The template is the contract template we created in advance, which has liquid versions for where then data from the database comes. Sorry, this was the wrong template. This is the onboarding contract template where we also can see that hourly rate, project scope, whatsoever. It takes those informations from your Notion database. And yeah, then it downloads this document as a PDF and saves it in Google Drive and adds the Google Drive link to your Notion database. So this is in general how it works. Yeah, it's really cool because it saves you so much time. I hope this gave you an idea for what is possible with Notion and those automation tools. If you're interested in a more detailed description of the technical details, how you can set this up in make.com, just sign up for our free Patreon. The link is down below in the video descriptions. And this is the place where you give you a more detailed insight in how to actually run this automation. Thank you so much.